Hello, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Alcohol with Nancy. So, this big container, I got 3 quarts of mustard out of it. This is what was left. That was at the bottom of the container and everything, and I just got it out. So I was thinking, what, instead of just let it sit there, we all love honey mustard. I love honey mustard. Honey and mustard. Who could, you can't go wrong with that. So I'm making my own honey mustard. I'm going to show you what I do. Alright, so we have 1/4 of a cup. I would say we're good, maybe 1/4. We measure from the jar. We have that much. I'm going to add that much honey because I want equal amounts. So we're going to squeeze. How about this? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that's about equal. There we go. And you mix. All that together. Now, it has no salt in here. It's just mustard and honey. But we're going to add a little bit of salt. Now, if you want it thicker, you can add more honey. But also, we're going to do another trick. I'm going to start really good. I'm just going to add like a pinch of salt. But 1, 2, 3 turns. Something else that might be good. Let's sneak a little bit of something other in there. Just out of this, maybe let's see how this will work. Add some garlic. And peels right on off, just like that. So I'm just going to rough chop this, as they say in the cooking world. I'm just really slicing. So it can release that garlic, hint of garlic. We're going to throw that in there. Like that. Give this a good stir. You can use onion powder, garlic powder. You can add all kinds of different things to it. I just added a fresh garlic clove. Would sound really good. So yes, we're going to give this a taste test. Let's see how my honey mustard garlic tastes. All right, there we go. And there you go. You have your own honey mustard. You can make a sauce with it. You can put it on sandwiches and a salad. Oh, I think this would make a good salad dressing. It looks like you could drink it. And garlic is good for you, so is honey. It does so many things. Do your research, because the benefits are amazing. So there we go. Honey mustard. So, like I said, if you want to thicken it a little bit thicker, add more honey. So, we thank y'all for stopping by to Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Go. We'll see you next time. God bless, stay safe, and love y'all.